If you want stronger legs, a tighter core, and real fat-burning results without wasting hours in the gym, this might be the only combo you need. 3 exercises, no fluff, no fancy machines, just lunges, plank holds, and hip thrusts done the right way. And if you do this consistently, your lower body strength and conditioning will change faster than you expect. Welcome back to Workout Health Motivation, where we focus on real training, real science, and real results. No fake promises, no shortcuts, just methods that work when you work. Today's workout is called the lower body combo that builds strength and burns fat fast. And the reason it works is simple. It hits your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, and stabilizers all at once. That means more muscle activation, more energy demand, more calorie burn, and more strength. Let's break it down. First move, lunges. Lunges are one of the most underrated lower body exercises. When done properly, they challenge your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even your balance. That balance component forces your core and stabilizing muscles to engage harder than basic machine movements. Here's how to do them correctly. Stand tall, chest up, shoulders back. Step forward with one leg. Lower your body until your front thigh is almost parallel to the ground. Your back knee moves straight down, not forward. Keep your front knee stacked over your ankle, not collapsing inward. Push through your front heel to return to standing. The key mistake people make? They rush. Slow it down. Control the descent for about 2 seconds. Pause briefly at the bottom, then drive up powerfully. That controlled tempo increases time under tension, which increases muscle stimulus. For strength and fat burning, perform 10 to 12 reps per leg. That's one set. Focus on quality over speed. Now, why do lunges help burn fat? Because they recruit large muscle groups. Your legs and glutes are among the biggest muscles in your body. The more muscle mass involved, the higher the energy demand. And when you combine that with consistent training and proper nutrition, your metabolism benefits. Second move, plank hold. Most people think planks are just for abs. That's wrong. A proper plank is a full-body tension exercise. When done correctly, it strengthens your deep core muscles, improves posture, and supports heavy lower body movements like lunges and hip thrusts. Set up by placing your forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders. Extend your legs back. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Now here's the important part. Squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs, and pull your ribs down. Don't just hang in the position. Create tension. Imagine you're trying to pull your elbows toward your toes without actually moving. That tension lights up your core. Keep breathing slowly through your nose. Don't hold your breath. Start with 30 to 45 seconds. If that's easy, increase to 60 seconds. The goal is quality tension, not just surviving. A strong core improves force transfer from your lower body. That means stronger lunges, stronger hip thrusts, and better overall performance. It also supports proper posture, which reduces injury risk and keeps your training consistent. Third move, hip thrust. If you want powerful glutes, hip thrusts are one of the most effective exercises available. Strong glutes are essential for speed, athletic power, and even protecting your lower back. Sit on the ground with your upper back supported against a bench or stable surface. Bend your knees, feet flat on the ground about hip-width apart. Drive through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. At the top, squeeze your glutes hard for 1 full second, then lower under control. Don't overextend your lower back. Keep your ribs down and core tight. The movement should come from your hips, not your spine. Perform 12 to 15 controlled reps. Focus on the squeeze. That peak contraction is where real glute activation happens. Now, here's why this combo works so well. Lunges challenge unilateral strength and stability. planks build core endurance and tension control. Hip thrusts maximize glute strength and hip extension power. Together, they create a balanced lower body training stimulus that builds muscle and increases total energy output. When you train large muscle groups with moderate intensity and short rest periods, around 30 to 45 seconds between exercises, your heart rate stays elevated. That increases calorie burn during the session. And over time, more muscle mass means a slightly higher resting metabolic rate. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Round 1. 10 lunges per leg. 45-second plank hold. 15 hip thrusts. Rest 45 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 4 total rounds. That's it. Simple, effective, efficient. And remember, fat loss does not come from one exercise. It comes from consistent training, proper sleep, stress control, and balanced nutrition. This combo supports that process by building muscle and increasing energy demand. But your lifestyle choices matter too. If you stay consistent with this routine 3 to 4 times per week, focus on progressive overload, meaning slightly increasing reps, tempo control, or resistance over time, your strength will improve. And improved strength changes your body composition over time. No shortcuts, just smart training. If this helped you, hit subscribe to Workout Health Motivation. We break down real workouts that build strength, improve performance, and keep you progressing safely. Drop a comment below. How many rounds did you complete? And if you want the next video to focus on upper body strength or core power, let me know. Remember, strong legs support a strong body. Build strength, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next workout.